cool and creepy,
Um,
but still, what a
so I
horror! What a
originally was
horror movie.
thinking that this would like when will apps be available to tell you this if you did decide to still have it. But there was this other article that was somewhat related that I found interesting. And so in 2019, there was a paper by the same team of scientists that just did this
Mhm.
that found that plants made sweeter nectar within 3 minutes of hearing the sound of bees coming. So
Okay,
this is a
so
two-way communication ability, right? Like that's pretty amazing.
that's like a Pavlovian kind of thing. Like it's I that I get. I mean that's more of like a. It's like when you salivate when you're about to eat. Similar thing to that, right?
Yeah, except so the bees are coming
Yeah.
and the plant's able to produce more sweeter nectar within 3 minutes. So sure, if you're going to say that that
Well,
is
they
just
could
some
feel the
type of
vibration of the wing, like that. That
they
could
hear the
be.
vibration, whatever it is, they
Well, nah, they don't
hear
hear it,
whatever,
but yeah, they probably feel it. But
well, however they receive it, right?
right,
However
however
they
they
receive
receive it.
that disturbance in the air.
Yeah,
But that's the bee basically communicating with the plant. The bee is coming. We don't know if the bees are making a specific sound just around
right,
flowers, right? The bees are coming. The plant receives data. The plant changes its behavior.
right.
And then this study is saying that depending on how the plant is feeling, the plant is sending out data and insects and animals are receiving it and changing their behavior accordingly.
Oh, I mean,
So
they're
whether you
very harmonious.
say it's on like some type of aware act being committed, or it's how you have stated it, just completely instinctual and
Yeah,
just some mindless cause and effect. I mean, either way, it's kind of interesting to see that kind of harmony, and hopefully highlights how amazing ecosystems are and how nuanced and connected things are. I mean, your plants are connected to the bees coming and they're speaking to each other back and forth.
makes me feel lonely.
You're not communicating. You're not part of it.
Well, I'm just saying.
Why
I
aren't
mean,
they talking to you?
I think that's something. I mean,
They
that
might have at one time,
that
and then they were
Matrix.
like, you know what? We started doing this. We told these guys that you could burn trees, and now look at them. Maybe they're the ones that helped us out there. And then we started burning them
I don't
alive,
know.
and they were
I just
like,
don't.
okay,
It
that's
doesn't
done.
feel like we're part of this world. It doesn't feel like we're natural to this
We're left out.
ego. I just saying that there's that
Is
Agent
that another
Smith
children's book?
Matrix. No, that the Agent Smith Matrix reference at the end when when we were all kids and we were like, oh, he goes, you're like a virus kind of thing. This is the kind of stuff where I'm like, are we like? I mean, we laugh it off, but like, aren't we a virus? Like, are we in tune with this planet? Because we seem to be the only ones left. The more we learn, the more left out it seems we are of the natural order of things. There's a big joke going on here, and it feels like we might be it, but in like a dark sense, where it's like you laugh because well, they're shrieking in pain, and they can't. We as humans can't hear them, so they just accept us, can't do anything about us.
But
But
every other animal and every other animal and insect can, and I feel like they're just like rallying support from the entire animal kingdom.
it's like less support. It's more of like a yeah. I guess it is a support system. It's a comfort system. It's like a comfort in hospice kind of thing.
It seems cruel, but
We seem cruel, not it seems cruel. We seem cruel. When you break it down, we're cruel. That's us doing this. We're the ones with the mass tree farms.